I got this idea to make a series of oars as metaphorical devices, inspired by our transition of moving from the Bay Area to Woodland and my transition from working a full-time job to semi-retirement. My thought was that in the rush to leave, you're making hasty decisions about what to take with you and what to leave behind, what is a burden and what is helpful in your new place. You might take something practical. You might take something sentimental, something from your childhood, or leave those things behind. It could be anything. You might take something that has nothing to do with why you're leaving, or something that has everything to do with it. Then I thought about how these choices affect where you're going and how you get there. And the idea was that things that we take with us on our journey help us get to where we're going. Even though they may not be adequate for what is required, in fact, may be totally wrong, we fashion them into what we need for them to be to help us move forward. I'm making the oars from scrap wood and objects because although you might imagine a journey as being something you think about for a long time before acting on it, perhaps it's not that way. Perhaps it's sudden and unforeseen. Sometimes you must act in haste. A fire, an earthquake, a job that comes to an end, a loved one in distress. And you must improvise the means of your escape with the available resources. We're always moving forward, leaving the known for the unknown. And what we take with us and what we leave behind are vessels of memories that let us look backward and propel us forward at the same time.